Okay, so let's go ahead and continue with our comma rules. Don't forget, the first two comma rules that we have already learned is commas in a series. This is when I use 3 or more items in a list. And then, of course, my fanboys, when I take 2 independent clauses, 2 ideas, 2 complete sentences, and I join them together with for and nor, but, or, yet, so. The third comma rule that we are going to learn is introductory phrases. So I'm going to write okay, so when I want to vary my sentence structure, I can write my structure to be a dependent clause, then a comma, and then an independent clause. Okay, so here's the trick when I am checking to make sure that I have done this. When I cover this up and I read my independent clause all by itself, it still makes sense. I have a subject and I have a verb. And in most cases, you'll have a predicate, but the very minimum that you have to have that complete sentence, is a subject and a verb. When I just take a look at my dependent clause, it doesn't sound right. It feels like I should say something more. I am missing something. So this dependent clause is just adding information to your subject, all right? This is additional information to make your sentence more interesting. So here are some examples. Running at top speed, comma, Jean chased down the school bus. So if I take a look at this and I cover this part up, I have Jean chased down the school bus. That's a complete sentence. I have Jean as my subject and he chased, okay, or chased down. And what did he chase down? The school bus. That's my predicate. Also, if I look at this introductory phrase, running at top speed, if I say that all by itself, it's not a complete thought. It doesn't have a subject. So when we're talking about introductory clauses, we can use ing words. We can use ly words. We can use our U, B, B, I, S, T. I can use a preposition, or I can use an adverb. Okay? If you have any questions or you need more examples, please go to noredink.com and you are going to ask me to help you find those examples and those practice lessons.